Hi, this is Neil Napier, and in this demo I will show you how Surv AI can be used to generate qualified leads by using survey funnels in your online or in-person business. Leads that will essentially tell you what they want, and you just have to show them the right offer. To use Surv AI, you simply need to follow 3 simple steps. First, enter a keyword. Then select your questions. And finally, publish and profit. Your business can grow through qualified lead generation using the power of survey funnels. Here, let me show you. Let's say that you have a business named, how about Kyvio, and you wanted to better understand what people coming to your website were coming for. Sure, you've created a great website, but your web statistics show that a lot of people were coming to your site and not telling you who they were. They had not selected any of the great offers you had, and so you didn't actually know anything about them. But now you have just created and set up your first Surv AI survey and embedded it on your homepage. You even spiced it up to offer your visitors a chance at winning the monthly prize. Your first question is about how they found your site. Was it through a Google search? Did they type it in? Or perhaps some other way? A simple non-threatening question to start with that can tell you something about your SEO and general marketing. Then you can start to qualify leads. Our second question asks them if they're interested in your latest product. At the time of this recording, that product is Content Gorilla AI. Now here's where the survey funnel features really shine. You see, if they select yes on this survey question, it will take them, when they are finished, directly to the Content Gorilla AI sales page. No need for your customer to wander around your page hoping to find the page they were looking for, which too often they can't find, and they click away to watch some cat videos on YouTube. You can also offer some higher ticket items like coaching or other training. And don't forget to ask for the email address so they can be notified if they win, and you can follow up on their answers. Then after your Surv AI design survey has collected some answers, you can take a look at the back end of Surv AI and see the answers that were gathered. It will add the gathered leads here, which you can either download as a simple CSV file or send them directly to one of our integrated autoresponders like Mailview. While we are here in the back end of the software, I will give you a brief rundown of what's actually inside. Our dashboard setup is fairly clear and helpful. Status is clear, visible or not. How many questions each survey has and how many responses have been collected. Now let's take a look under the hood by clicking on Manage Survey. We showed you the embed feature on our Kyvio page. You can also just have the survey as a standalone page, and Surv AI hosts it for you and includes all the bandwidth you need. If you no longer want the survey to be accessible, simply turn off the visibility right over here. You can also limit access to each survey with a password and limit the number of times someone can answer a survey so as to ensure more precise results. Now the questions tabs is the real power of Surv AI. This is where the magic happens. Here you can see the survey that I embedded on the Kyvio page. Right here is the switch that enables the smart redirect feature I talked about earlier. You can create a variety of questions to gather the data that you want. Multiple choice, short and long answer, yes and no, and you can have them select from a drop-down list, rate their preferences using a star or a slider rating. There are also questions that gather data like email, phone number, and other details. The real power of Surv AI is the artificial intelligence question generation. You can select from short answer questions, yes and no questions, and multiple choice questions. Let's give it a try and see the 3-step process that I talked about earlier. Click on the short answer and set it to 4 questions. Here's step 1. Enter your keyword. I'm going to enter marketing. And for the demographic, I'm going with online marketers. Click generate questions. Then our AI brain presents us with the 4 questions that were generated. This is where step 2 happens. Select the questions. I'm going to grab the 2 that best fit my marketing plan. What is the best way to measure the effectiveness of marketing campaigns, and what are some of the common mistakes made in marketing? Then I simply delete the ones I'm not using and add these 2 to the survey. I can rearrange them until I get my survey just how I want it. I would follow the same steps to have the AI generate yes and no questions and multiple choice questions as well. Then step 3, publish and profit. I can click select the custom URL or grab the embed code to publish my AI generated survey and begin to send my leads through my survey funnel that offers them exactly what they want every single time. Features like customization of colors and various text fields are included so that you can easily get the perfect look for your survey. When the customer is done with the survey, they are taken to the thank you page where they'll be offered any call to action you want. The results area is comprehensive and you can easily export your results to see what people say. The leads area will be where you will find the leads that were collected from one of the Surv AI forms. Surv AI helps you spend less money on ads, less time running your business, and more time enjoying the fruits of your labor. With Surv AI, you will generate qualified leads quickly. Qualified leads that will be more willing to buy from you because you actually listened to what they wanted and offered it to them, which will quickly create a buyers list that you can continue to sell to over and over again. Surv AI takes out all the guesswork and all the technical obstacles. You just point the direction you want to go with your keyword, choose the questions that best fit your marketing plan, and then share that targeted survey with your audience. Heck, you don't even need a website. Surv AI has everything you need to grow your business with AI-generated survey funnels.